Now, my Buddhist friends, I have shown you what do you call it? Amrapali's home. Amrapali's home. If you read Zhang Zhang, he is the one who hints where Amrapali's what do you call it? Home is. He says her old home was next to Ratnakara's home. Well, Ratnakara's home is Ratgaon. What do you call it? And next to Ratgaon is Bajalpura. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. Folks, that is the spot where now Amrapali was massively rich. She took 50 kharsha panas for one night of entertainment. And she was the Nagar Vadhu. Nagar Vadhu, she wasn't a prostitute. She was a Nagar Vadhu. Vadhu means she was married into the entire Nagar, to the entire village. And what do you call it? Actually, she was their wife. So, what do you call it? She was a Rani also. She was a Rani. That's why the stupa where she fed the Buddha in Kotigama, that's Godna, is called Ranipur. Now, what do you call it? Bajalpura is where her her instruments were kept. Her musicians stayed and they adjusted the music. What do you call day in and day out musical instruments. Where did she entertain her guests? Folks, the place's name is Madhurapur. Madhur means sweet voice. Madhur means sweet voice. That's a beautiful name for Amrapali's residence, Madhurapur. And she had got the title of Nagar Kotaini or something like that, which is actually Katyayani, because the people who live in it belong to the Katyayani Gotra. And you know the story of Amrapali. She was very, what do you call it, wildly, she had fallen, she was a follower of the Buddha and she had also become a nun. So she respected the Buddha like anything. That is why Madhurapur village today prays to Bhik Baba. Bhik Baba means the beggar Baba. Now, who is the beggar Baba? We all know that the Buddha would beg for alms in Vaishali, in Pidhauli, in that entire area. Well, the beggar Baba is none other than the Buddha, Bhik Baba. So, that is Madhurapur for you. And the beauty of it is, now basically the old Madhurapur was cut in the Ganges. It was washed away in the Ganges. And this is a new one, but it is the, what do you call it, carries the name. And the old Madhurapur is just now a sandbank, a huge sandbank next to the present day Ganges. So that is where she entertained the Lichvis. She sang, etc. for them. And it is south of Navtolia. Navtolia is the, what do you call it, first nunnery the world ever saw, which the Lichvi kings got together, pooled in money, and they made for Mahaprajapati Gautami and her 500 nuns. But what do you call it? Zhang Zhang says that she died in the old house of what do you call it? Amrapali, in the old house. Now the old house, that means what do you call it? There has to be an old house and there has to be a new house, because Zhang Zhang says that it was the old house where Maha Prajapati Gautami breathed her last, attained Mahaparinirvana. Folks, the old house is actually another Madhurapur. Another Madhurapur. So that will be, I will show you in a different video. But just now in this video, folks, check out the Madhurapur where she danced and she entertained the Lichavis, folks. What do you call it? You can check the story of Amrapali and what do you call it? You can check the story of Amrapali, and then you can see the place in satellite pictures, and then you can see the video of the village itself. Now let's see where Amrapali's house is. This is Hyun Sang Siyuki, his book. Not far from this is a stupa. This is the site of the old residence of Ratnakara. So you have to find the old residence of Ratnakara. This is Ratgaon. Ratgaon means the village of Ratnakara. Ratgaon means the village of Ratnakara. Okay, now let's see what Zhang Zhang says. And not far from this is a stupa. This is the old house of the Lady Amra. It was here the aunt of Buddha and other bhikshunis attained nirvana. Now let's see. Here it is. This is Ratgaon. This is Bajalpura. Bajalpura means music day in and day out. Music day in and day out. And folks, this is Madhurapur. This is Bajalpura is where Amrapali's musicians stayed. And this is Madhurapur. Madhurapur means sweet voice. Sweet voice. So this is where Amrapali entertained the people. Actually, what do you call it? Madhurapur was here. See, Madhurapur was here. In this area, you see this, what do you call it? This is the edge of the stupa. It was a huge stupa. And that is Madhurapur. You can see Madhurapur is written here. And this is Kasva. Kasva means a stupa. You see, this is the massive stupa. This is the place where Prajapati Gautami attained her parinirvana. See, this is Budhi Mama Asthan. Budhi Mama Asthan is Prajapati Gautami was 120 years old. So she was the great grandmother of this area. So folks, this is your Bajalpura. And proof of Bajalpura is the fact that the person who forced Amrapali to become the Nagar Vadhu, he had relocated to Ambara. Let's see what is written. Now Ambara is proof that Bajalpura is Amrapali's home. See, up here it's written. Even as a young maiden, Amrapali was exceptionally beautiful. It is said that a feudal lord by the name of Mahanaman was so enchanted by the young Amrapali's looks that he abandoned his kingdom and moved to Ambara village. Ambara village. Now, Ambara is a mispronunciation of Bajalpura, which I just showed you. Ambara is a mispronunciation of Bajalpura. See, this is Bajalpura and Ambara. See, I will show you. I have compared the two words. See, this is Amrapali. Ambapali Amra Bajalpura Wali. Her name, see, they say that her name was also Ambapali. So you have to understand Bihari culture. You know a woman by her name, by her village's name, but not by her name. So she was Ambapali is actually Amra Bajalpura Wali, and Amrapali is actually Amra Wali. So folks, and this is Ambara. Ambara was a mispronunciation of Bajalpura. So that is Bajalpura for you. So see, this is the entire, and then you had, what do you call it? You had Amrapali and Bimbisara. Stories of her beauty travelled to the ears of Bimbisara, king of hostile neighbouring kingdom of Magad. He attacked Vaishali and took refuge in Amrapali's house. Now he took a refuge in Amrapali's house. Now he won't be staying in Bajalpura. He will have made his palace next to it. So folks, here is your Amrapali's Madurapur, and this is your Bajalpura, and folks, this is Binalpur. Binal is the exact name of Bimbisara. Binalpur is the exact name of Bimbisara. Now Amrapali also bore Bimbisara a son. Later Amrapali bore him a son named Bimal Kondana. Actually Kondana is a mispronunciation of Koluvar. Kondana is a mispronunciation of Koluvar. Let's see where it is here. So here you have Binalpur, that is the real name of Bimbisara, and you have Koluvar, which is the real name of, this is Kondana. So Binal Kondana, Binal Koluvar. So Koluvar was Amrapali's son, who was from King Bimbisara, which is actually Binal. So, and this is Navtolia. Navtolia is the nunnery which Lichvi is made for the 500 nuns after the Buddha ordained them. Now other kings also stayed with Amrapali. That is proof that Bajalpura is Amrapali's. Ajatshatu, Bimbisara's son by Queen Chilana, according to Jain tradition, or Queen Kosala Devi, later invaded Vaishali due to dispute with his brothers. He was so moved by her beauty that when Amrapali was imprisoned, he burned the whole of Vaishali. Folks, Bimbisara's, Ajatshatu's other name was Kunika. Ajatshatu's other name was Kunika. Now let's see where Kunika is. See, Binalpur is this side. So it was an incestuous relationship because Amrapali was nearly married his father. So he took up his residence. This is Madurapur, where she entertained people. Madhur means sweet voice. So this is Kakjaniya. Kakjaniya means to burn up everything for a female. Now the final proof is of Amrapali's home is there should be a nunnery to Prajapati Gautami. The Lichvi kings of Vaishali built a large nunnery for Mahaprajapati and her retinue of 500 Sakyan princes. Now let's see where that thing is. See, here you have where that nunnery is. Here you have Bajalpura, you have Koluvar, where this is Bimal Kondana, Amrapali's son through thing. He had become a monk. This is Navtolia, the new living quarters for women. Tolia means living quarters for women. Nav means new. So this is the new living quarters for women. It is a part of Bajalpura, which is your Amrapali's home, and this is Madurapur. So all this, Binalpur, Navtolia, Koluvar, Kakjaniya, these are proof that Bajalpura was the property of Amrapali. She was regarded richer than the Lichvi kings. Here, this is her property. See this circular thing, this entire area was her property, while the Lichvi kings owned only this area. So check out the pictures, the video of Madurapur where Amrapali entertained the Lichvis. Okay, now folks, I have left Bajalpura behind where Amrapali's musicians adjusted their instruments and lived there, and I am approaching Madhurapur. Madhurapur is Amrapali's old and new home. The old home where Mahaprajapati Gautami died, and the new home where she entertained the Lichavis, and today you find her descendants from the Lichavis living there, folks. So here I am traveling towards Madhurapur, which is Amrapali's old and new home. You will find her descendants over there. I will be meeting them. So folks, give me the best of luck, folks. Okay, now folks, I am in Madhurapur. Madhurapur. This is Madhur Awad. It is just next to Bajalpura. Now Madhurapur. Madhurapur was the place where Amrapali, she entertained the Lichavis. Actually, the Lichavis are the Digvai Brahmins. So Madhurapur was the place where Amrapali entertained the Lichavis, and see, these people are most probably her descendants. I may be wrong, but most probably her descendants. See, Bajalpura is music day in and day out. And her name was Amba Pali. Actually, it is Amra Bajalpura Wali, mispronounced as Amba Pali. And on just next to it, Madhurapur is Bajalpura. And this is Madhurapur. It's on the banks of the Ganges. Madhur Awad means sweet voice. Sweet voice. So this is where Amrapali entertained her clients. This is where Amrapali entertained her clients. And folks, see, this is your Madhurapur, and it is a well-off village. हाँ? कहाँ है हो गया भगवती माई के हल्के भगवती माई नहीं जाते हैं। हाँ, आगे भी मंदिर है पुराना। अब क्या कर रहे हैं जोकर की तरह। And folks, see, up here is your Madhurapur, means a sweet voice. This is where Amrapali, lived and entertained her, the Lichavis. So most probably these people are descendants of hers. So folks, enjoy your video of Madhurapur, Amrapali's home. All this is Amrapali's property. And it is south of Danyalpur, which Amrapali presented to the Buddha. So here it is all for you folks.